my name is Rafi and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss a newly launched high-level feature in which it allows you to connect your YouTube account with your high-level account. Now, what do I mean is that it allows you to connect your YouTube with your Go High-Level social planner, which allows you to automate the scheduling of your videos or of your reels. So if you're a kind of person who likes to record all the content over the weekend, but you want it to be posted during the weekdays. So this is perfect for you. So now how you can do it is basically you will go to marketing on the left side nav bar. From here you will go to social planner and you will hit this screen. From here you will click on connect YouTube, let it load. On the screen you will choose your email. Make sure your YouTube account is logged in on the same browser that you have your high level account in. It will be just so much easier. After that, hit connect. Basically, you are just giving permissions to access your YouTube account. And from here, once again, you will hit continue. And after that, there you go. Your account is now you're able to see your account here. You on on the other tab where I was hitting continue, go you might encounter another permission page. This time it didn't come because I already gave the permission for my to access my YouTube account. But if you're doing it for the first time, you will face that, and there you will just have to select the option of select all. It is basically asking you to access to have the access to manage your YouTube videos and edit it and all that kind of stuff. So just select. Okay, I have to do it again. Give me a sec. So for that page, just select all. So now I will click on add, and it is now connected. Once that is done, I can, as you can see, connected accounts connected, and now I will just click on the button continue, and now we are inside the planner. So here inside the planner, there are two ways of creating a post. Either you simply go on create a post, or you can open planner, and from here you can select the date on whichever date you want to post it in. You also have the option to select the date from here if you click on new post. From here, so first of all, the first thing that you will have to do is select your connected accounts. So I have YouTube in this example. I will go ahead here. Now, first of all, it is asking me to write the description. Then if I scroll below, I have the option to choose the video type. Is it going to be a short? Is it going to be a proper video? After that, if I select short, it will be like this. As you know, we call them reels. And for video, it will be the proper video. Now from here, you can go ahead and add the title. So now let's say connect your YouTube with GLH. From here under description, you can write anything you want, obviously whatever you want to write. Test, test. After that, here under privacy, you will have the option to choose the privacy level. So you can choose whether you want to make it public, whether you want to make it private. For most of the cases, obviously, you will be making it public, so keep it that way. And after that, here you have the option where it says post. You have this drop down. You select this drop down, and now it gives you the option of post now, schedule post, send for approval, or schedule recurring post. So basically, if you click on post now, obviously that's what the name suggests. It will post right away. If you select schedule post, it will ask you to select the time and select the date. So here you will be able to see your agency, your sub account's time zone. So whatever time zone you're using for your sub account, the same one will appear here. After that, you will have the option to select the date, whatever date you want to select, and then you can go ahead and select the time as well from here. Another thing, and the most important thing, is that you will have to select a video. So for that, I will click on the video button, and from here I will click on upload files. Now from here I would be able to see the video. So now let's say if we use my A to P video. So I will click on open, let it load. I will pause the video for now. Alright, so once the uploading is completed, now you can go ahead and select the video. So as you can see, the video is selected, the description is here, the title is here, as you can see the title here, and then the post type you will keep it video. If you want to post a short, then you will select this, and the privacy level will be public. After that, all you have to do is just click on this drop down, schedule post, select the date and time, and then click on schedule post, and then your post will be in the sequence and ready to be posted on the selected time and date. So that's how easily you can integrate your Go High Level your YouTube account with your High Level account and just come ahead and schedule post. Like I said, it is absolutely brilliant for those people who like to record content for the whole week, for the whole month in one go, and then like to schedule it. And this is one of the reasons why High Level is one of the best softwares out there. Not one of the best, but the best marketing operating system out there to use for your agency. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching the video till the end. Have a nice day ahead and see you in the next video. Bye bye.